Hey guys, welcome back to yet another video of TechWafer. Hopefully you're having a great day. Adil here, your host, and in this particular video I'm going to unbox the Realme C25s. So let's just get started with its unboxing, but first let's take a look at its spec sheet. It is powered by MediaTek's Helio G85 gaming processor coupled with 48 megapixel triple AI camera setup, a 6000 mAh massive battery and 18 watt quick charging support. Apart from that, it has 4 GB of RAM coupled with 128 GB of internal storage, and the variant that we have with us is available in water blue color. I can definitely say that this is a value for money smartphone and you can just go and get it. It is available on the sale. The link is in the description. And one more important thing to mention here is that it is a manufactured in Pakistan smartphone, so that could be the reason why it's available in such a reasonable price tag. Let's get started with its unboxing, and here we go. As always, you're getting this flap that carries the message, "Hey, welcome to the Realme family," and the Realme's branding. And inside that mini box, you're going to get the information guides and a soft silicone case. And by looking at the case, I can say that there's not much of change at the back of this particular smartphone. It is carrying the Realme C series standard design pattern. We'll get back to the device. Meanwhile, let's turn it on. And here comes the 18 watt power brick that is going to charge this device. I'm not sure how fast, but I'm definitely going to test it in the full review, so stay tuned and do not forget to subscribe to TechWafer. And apart from that, we are getting hopefully a Type-C cable. Okay, so we are definitely getting a Type-C cable with the Realme C25s, which is surprising in this particular price tag, and I definitely have to welcome this gesture of Realme. Okay, so I guess that is pretty much it about the unboxing. Let's just get on to the design. And the first thing that you'll notice when holding this particular smartphone, that it is chunky. Maybe because of 6000 mAh battery that's on board on this particular smartphone. So let's just get done with the setup and then we'll get back to the first impression of this particular smartphone. Okay, so now let's talk about the design of the Realme C25s, and as far as the screen size is concerned, you are getting a 6.5 inches panel at the front, which is an IPS panel, and at the top of that you are getting HD plus resolution. That's 720 pixels into 1600 pixels of resolution that you are getting. And as far as the screen to body ratio of this particular display is concerned, you are getting 88.7% screen to body ratio, and this one also houses a view drop notch that carries an 8 megapixel selfie shooter for the selfies. We'll test its performance later on. The bezels on the left, right and top are comparatively thin compared to the bezels on the bottom. Switching the device to the bottom, you'll find a speaker grill along with USB Type-C connector, a dual microphone and 3.5 mm headphone jack. Switching the device to the right side, you will find the volume rockers along with the power button. As far as the ease of use is concerned, you will be able to change the volume and power on or off the device single-handedly. So for the most of the users, this won't be a problem at all. And switching the device to the left side, you'll find a SIM tray there, and hopefully it houses a dual SIM slot. Let's check that. Okay, so you're getting a dual SIM slot along with a micro SD card slot to expand the storage, so we are good in this particular department. And now it's time that we switch to the Realme C25s back, and here we go. The texture is quite visible like the other C series smartphone of Realme. Let me peel off this cover. Okay, there we go. And you can also see the clear branding of the Realme. And there's this two-tone shade that's available in the water blue color, and this color falls between the gray and the blue shade, and it looks kind of premium. The texture is quite visible and you can literally feel it with your hands, which is great. And speaking about the build quality, this phone is made up of polycarbonate material. At the top side, you're getting the fingerprint scanner along with the camera bump that houses a triple camera setup, and the primary sensor is a 48 megapixel with the macro lens and a black and white sensor. Because of the curved sides of the Realme C25s, it is pretty easy and comfortable to hold in the hands, so that's another plus point in terms of the design. And I guess that's pretty much it about the design of the Realme C25. Now allow me to download some apps and games to test its performance, and I'll get back to you. As far as the software is concerned, this phone is running Realme User Interface 2.0 at the top of Android 11.0, which is an improved user interface, especially compared to the Realme User Interface 1.0. They have changed a lot of stuff, especially in terms of the customization. You can change your icons as per your liking and even use the third-party icons from the Play Store. Let me check that, and here we go. You can opt for the material design or the pebble design, and even your custom Art Plus icons that you can customize as per your liking, like this. It is pretty easy and useful for a lot of users who like to use customized icons, and that adds another plus point. Now you're looking at the camera sample of the Realme C25. You can let me know how did you find it in the comment section below. And with that, I'd like to conclude the Realme C25s unboxing and the first impression video. I do hope that you liked this, and if you really did, press the like button and do not forget to press the bell icon with the subscribe button so you do not miss another update from us. With that being said, I'll see you guys with the full review of Realme C25s in the very next video. Till then, peace out.